Welcome to Life Upgrade with AI. This channel is all about using AI to make everyday life and the holidays easier and more organized. I'm showing everything on ChatGPT from my desktop, but you can use any AI tool or even the mobile app. Let's dive into the video. Decorating for Christmas is one of the best parts of the season, but picking a style can feel overwhelming. AI can help you find a look that suits your home and your budget. Here's the first prompt I'm using. Give me 5 Christmas decorating styles with a short description of each. Keep the ideas simple and beginner-friendly. AI suggests classic styles like traditional red and green, Scandinavian minimalist, rustic farmhouse, modern metallics, or cozy neutral. Seeing them all laid out makes it so much easier to choose the vibe you want. This alone can save you hours of scrolling Pinterest or trying to match random decorations. If you'd like a bit more guidance when choosing a style, it can help to think about what feels most like you. Ask yourself which colors you naturally gravitate toward and whether your home leans more modern or more warm and rustic. You can also consider whether you're decorating around kids or pets, which sometimes calls for sturdier pieces. These small decisions can make it much easier to land on a style that feels natural for your space. Now that we've chosen a style, let's plan the main space, the living room. This is usually where the tree goes, where stockings hang, and where a lot of that cozy Christmas atmosphere comes from. Here's the next prompt for you. Create a simple Christmas decorating plan for a living room. Include colors, key pieces, and layout ideas. AI will give you a cohesive plan. Things like placing the tree near natural light, using a color palette that ties into your style, adding pillows or throws, or placing candles and small decorations strategically. This takes the guesswork out of decorating and helps you create a balanced, intentional look. If you want to expand this section, you can follow up with the AI and ask for specific ideas like, give me 5 tree decorating ideas for this style, or show me variations for a smaller living room. These prompts help you build an even clearer vision for your space, and you can explore different options without getting overwhelmed. The living room is usually the star of the show, but the kitchen or dining space is where a lot of the holiday moments happen. Let's keep it simple with easy ideas that look festive without taking a lot of time. Here's the prompt. Give me 10 easy decorating ideas for a kitchen or dining area that look festive but don't take much time. AI gives great suggestions, like a simple table runner, a bowl of ornaments, candles grouped together, natural greenery, or a small wreath on a cabinet or window. You don't need a full makeover to make the space feel festive. Holiday decorating can get expensive fast. So this is where AI becomes really useful for saving money while still creating something beautiful. Here's the prompt for this. Give me budget-friendly alternatives for this decor plan using items I might already have. AI will suggest things like using books to create height, reusing last year's pieces, adding homemade touches, or swapping store-bought garlands for natural greenery. This helps you create a cozy Christmas look without buying everything new. If you want to take this further, you can also ask the AI which of these pieces are easy DIY projects, or which decorations you can make from things you can find at a regular grocery store. For example, dried oranges, cinnamon sticks, greenery bundles, or homemade paper stars. These are easy ways to decorate beautifully without spending much at all. Now that we've made a plan, let's turn it into a simple, practical shopping list. Here's the prompt. Create a small shopping list for this decor plan, organized by store section. AI organizes your list by things like home decor, lights and candles, wrapping and ornaments, or seasonal greenery. This makes holiday shopping fast and intentional. No wandering around aisles trying to remember what you need. If you want to shop smarter, you can ask the AI which items are worth investing in so you can reuse them year after year. Things like quality garlands, neutral ornaments, or sturdy wreath bases often last the longest and save money over time. Now let's put all the pieces together so you have one clean, copy-friendly document. Here's the final prompt. Combine the decor styles, room plan, kitchen ideas, budget-friendly swaps, and shopping list into one simple Christmas decorating plan I can copy and use. This becomes your full decorating guide, and you'll love how organized and simple it is. And that's it. With just a few simple prompts, you now have a cozy Christmas decorating plan that looks beautiful without feeling overwhelming. If you'd like another holiday planning video, let me know in the comments. I would love to help. Thank you for watching and happy decorating.